Hello viewer, welcome to the GyaanRoots channel. Topic of this video is World Water Day. Let's watch.
World Water Day is an annual event observed on March 22 to raise awareness about the importance of fresh water and advocate for sustainable management of water resources. Here are some notes on World Water Day. The United Nations General Assembly designated March 22 as World Water Day in 1993. The day has been observed annually since then. The global water crisis affects billions of people around the world, with many lacking access to safe and clean water for drinking, sanitation, and hygiene. Water scarcity is becoming increasingly common due to climate change, population growth, and unsustainable water use practices. Water pollution, caused by human activities such as industrial and agricultural practices and improper waste disposal, is also a significant concern. It can lead to health problems, ecosystem damage, and loss of biodiversity. Sustainable management of water resources is essential to address the global water crisis. This includes responsible use of water, conservation efforts, and the development of innovative technologies and solutions. Education and awareness-raising activities play a critical role in addressing the water crisis. By raising awareness about the importance of water and advocating for sustainable water management practices, we can work towards a more sustainable future for all. The theme for World Water Day 2023 is Accelerating the Change to Solve the Water and Sanitation Crisis. The focus is on ensuring that everyone has access to safe and affordable drinking water, sanitation services, and hygiene facilities. Thanks for watching the video.